our government for the people, announced that we would make enhancements to our Ontario Autism Plan by adding a needs-based component. And today, we wanted to provide additional details on our consultations that will develop these enhancements.
Our government has been listening to families living with autism, and we've heard their concerns. That's why we're launching public consultations starting May 1st. These online surveys and telephone town halls will help better inform how our government can support children and youth living with autism.
We're going to ensure that there's telephone town halls for parents and clinicians and service providers. In addition to that, we're asking every MPP, regardless of political parties, to be part of this roundtable discussion over the next several months. And then finally, it will culminate with an advisory panel of clinicians, parents, those with autism, as well as service providers.
Our government also wants to look at how we can reduce barriers for children living with autism. Through the consultations announced today, our ministries are working together to integrate all of our government supports into a framework that works for Ontario families.
We really want to listen to people to understand what their concerns are and to be able to work on them from our different perspectives and our different ministries. Every family in Ontario that has a child with autism has an opportunity to share their advice and to share their ideas so that together, as ministers and as families, we can get it right and ensure the proper supports are in place.
Our government expects to announce further supports in the fall that will build on previously announced supports for autism services, including in the classroom. For Ontario News Now, I'm Lindsay Vanstone.